Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's transforming our world right now. This revolution is creating a once-in-a-generation opportunity for investors. But with so many companies in the mix, picking the real winners is tough. That's why we asked ChatGPT to analyze the data and identify the 10 AI companies poised for growth over the next 10 years. If you're serious about building wealth with cutting-edge tech, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss a high-potential investing opportunity. We also want to remind you that this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Now let's dive in. First up is NVIDIA, a name that has become synonymous with the AI hardware revolution. Over the past decade, NVIDIA has transformed from a company best known for gaming graphics cards into the undisputed leader in artificial intelligence infrastructure. Their iconic green logo is now a symbol of innovation and technological dominance in the world of AI. NVIDIA's GPUs are the backbone of the AI revolution, powering the most advanced machine learning models and data centers across the globe. These powerful chips are the engines behind everything from self-driving cars to cutting-edge research in medicine and science. Their hardware is at the heart of popular AI applications like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and countless others, making NVIDIA the essential infrastructure provider for AI worldwide. Without NVIDIA's technology, many of the breakthroughs we see today simply wouldn't be possible. But NVIDIA's dominance isn't just about hardware. Their proprietary CUDA software ecosystem has become the industry standard, locking in developers and researchers. This creates a powerful network effect, making it incredibly difficult for competitors to catch up and giving NVIDIA a near monopoly in the AI space. As global demand for AI continues to skyrocket, NVIDIA's products remain absolutely indispensable. Their chips are in such high demand that supply often struggles to keep up, further cementing their position as a foundational investment in the AI sector. If you're looking for exposure to the very core of artificial intelligence, NVIDIA stands out as the most solid and reliable choice. Their relentless innovation, market dominance, and visionary leadership make them the undisputed king of AI hardware. Next is Microsoft, which has transformed itself into an AI powerhouse. Their partnership with OpenAI and the integration of Copilot into Office apps is revolutionizing productivity for millions. Azure, their cloud platform, is a go-to for businesses building AI solutions, ensuring recurring high-margin revenue. With both enterprise software and cloud infrastructure, Microsoft is positioned to win on multiple fronts. It's a must-have for any AI-focused portfolio. Alphabet, Google's parent company, has AI in its DNA. From search and YouTube to Waymo and Google Cloud, AI powers their entire ecosystem. Their Gemini models and custom AI chips keep them at the cutting edge, while their massive data flywheel drives continuous improvement. Alphabet's scale and expertise make it a foundational AI investment. They're quietly shaping the future of AI across billions of users. Amazon is an AI company hiding in plain sight. AI drives everything from personalized shopping to warehouse robotics, slashing costs and boosting efficiency. But the real story is AWS, the backbone of AI infrastructure for thousands of companies. Amazon's dual role as both AI user and platform provider makes it uniquely powerful. It's a diversified bet on the entire AI ecosystem. Meta Platforms, the company once known simply as Facebook, is making a bold bet on artificial intelligence to shape its future. This tech giant is not just dabbling in AI, it's placing it at the very core of its business strategy, aiming to redefine how billions of people connect, share, and discover content online. At the heart of Meta's platforms are advanced recommendation engines powered by cutting-edge AI. These systems analyze vast amounts of data in real time, keeping users engaged with personalized feeds on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meanwhile, Meta's open-source Llama models and custom-designed AI chips are accelerating innovation, enabling new features and smarter content moderation at an unprecedented scale. With a global user base numbering in the billions, Meta has access to an unparalleled stream of data. This massive data set fuels the training of ever more sophisticated AI models, allowing the company to rapidly test, deploy, and refine new features that keep users coming back. By fully embracing AI across every layer of its operations, Meta is positioning itself as both a social media leader and a true powerhouse in artificial intelligence. The company's all-in approach is setting the pace for the entire industry. For investors and tech enthusiasts alike, Meta stands out as a top pick for those seeking growth at the intersection of AI and digital engagement. Its relentless focus on innovation and scale makes it a key player to watch in the evolving digital landscape. ASML Holding is the unsung hero of the AI hardware world. Their exclusive EUV lithography machines are essential for producing the world's most advanced chips. With a total monopoly, ASML is the ultimate picks and shovels play. No advanced AI hardware exists without ASML's technology. It's a rare, irreplaceable link in the global AI supply chain. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, builds the high-performance servers that power AI data centers. Their rapid customization and advanced cooling solutions give them a major edge as demand for AI infrastructure explodes. SMCI's agility lets them outpace larger competitors and capture surging orders from tech giants. They're a behind-the-scenes winner in the AI hardware stack. For investors, SMCI is a fast-growing play on the AI build-out. In the world of artificial intelligence hardware, a new challenger is stepping up to the plate. AMD, long known for its innovation in the semiconductor industry, is now taking the fight directly to NVIDIA with its Instinct line of AI chips. For years, NVIDIA has dominated the AI hardware space, but AMD is determined to disrupt the status quo and carve out its own place at the top. Their latest MI300 series of accelerators is already making waves, gaining significant traction with major cloud providers and enterprise customers who are eager for high-performance, cost-effective alternatives to NVIDIA's offerings. These companies are looking for more options to power their data centers and AI workloads, and AMD is stepping up to meet that demand. The reality is, AMD doesn't need to completely dethrone NVIDIA to win big. Even capturing a modest slice of this rapidly expanding multi-billion-dollar AI hardware market could translate into massive growth and new opportunities for the company. The potential rewards are enormous. AMD's impressive track record against industry giant Intel proves they know how to compete with the best. Over the past decade, they've consistently challenged and outperformed larger rivals, showing resilience and strategic vision. As the underdog in the AI hardware race, AMD brings fresh energy and real upside potential. With visionary leadership from Dr. Lisa Su and a growing portfolio of cutting-edge technology, AMD is poised to become a major force in the future of AI. Palantir Technologies is the AI backbone for governments and enterprises. Their Gotham and Foundry platforms turn messy data into actionable intelligence, powering critical decisions. With long-term contracts and deep integration, Palantir's software becomes indispensable to its clients. Their new AI platform brings large language models securely into sensitive environments. Palantir is a unique, high-barrier software play in the AI revolution. SoundHound AI is a small-cap specialist in voice and conversational AI. Their tech powers voice assistants in cars and restaurants, offering brands independence from tech giants. Unique capabilities in complex speech recognition set them apart in a fast-growing market. It's a higher-risk, higher-reward bet on the future of voice-enabled devices. SoundHound shows that AI opportunity isn't limited to the mega caps. These 10 stocks, handpicked by ChatGPT, represent the best of the AI revolution. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click on the video, now appearing on your screen, to continue your journey towards smarter investing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.